So let's discuss different data types available in JavaScript. In JavaScript, no need to write data type like integer, character or string, because JavaScript is a dynamic type language, which means that you don't need to define type of the variable because it is effectively used by the JavaScript engine at the runtime. And in JavaScript there are two types of data available, that is primitive data type and the non-primitive data type. So first of all we will discuss primitive type of data. So these are all the list of primitive type of data available in JavaScript, that is string, number, boolean, undefined and null. Now we can display the type of variable on console with the help of type of function. I will explain you that practically. So these are all the data type available in JavaScript. So here in this example I will display you what is the type of data type of first name. So for that I will comment this console.log, and before that first name I will write type of operator. Okay, so I will save it and again reload this page. You can see string, right? So first name is Priya here, and the data type of this string is Priya is string. Okay, so now I will display the data type of this age and job, same like this. I will save this page and again reload this. Now you can see string, number and string. Okay, so here I will again display the boolean value. Let has driving license, has H should be small, driving D should be capital, driving license is equal to true. Now I will display the data type of this this driving license variable. Now again I will reload this page. So here is nothing. Now again I will reload this file. Now you can see the boolean value. Okay, so here no need to explicitly write data type, because JavaScript engine at the runtime decide the data type of every variable. So this is all about data types, right? So that undefined and the null that we will discuss later. So undefined means if you are not assigning any value to the variable at that time, that data type should be undefined, and the null we will use in the different concept that I will explain you later. Okay, so in previous example I write late keyword in front of variable, but at that point I have not discussed with you why I have written late at that point, but I will explain all that concept here. Okay, so variable is nothing but that variable occupy the computer memory, and whatever value we assign to that variable, that is stored inside computer memory, right? So where to use let and where to use that constant and var keyword, right? In place of let you can use const or var, but where to use where to use let and where to use const. So if you want to use code to run in an older browser, you must use var keyword, because in 1995 to 2015 that var keyword used in JavaScript. So if you want to run your code in older browser at that time, definitely you should use var keyword. And the variable should declare with a let keyword if that can be changed. Suppose in previous example I show you first name I have written Priya, and after that I make the change in that variable to Swati. So in that case you have to use let as a keyword in front of variable, because that value is going to change in our program. And in general all the time we have to declare our variable with const keyword. So if you are sure that your variable is not going to change in your program, at that time you should use const keyword all the time. So again I will explain you it in code. Okay, so here first name will be Priya all the time. No, so for that I will use const keyword. After that age will be constant. But it may possible that in my program my job is going to change, so for that I will use let keyword here. Okay, and has driving license. At this point I have a driving license, so that value should be const, that is not going to change. So in this way we have to decide what to use, const or let, right? So if the value is not going to change in your program, so all the time make it as a general habit, use const keyword. And if you think that your variable is going to change in your program, so at that time you should use let as a keyword in front of variable name. Okay,